In this video, we explain how you can trade using the MetaTrader 5 app. To get started, download the MetaTrader 5 app and open it. Click the plus icon to open a trading account, then type Admiral Markets into the search bar and choose your operation company. From here, you can either open a new demo account or you can log into an existing account. To log into an existing account, enter your account number and password and then choose the Admiral Markets demo or Admiral Markets live server. Now that you're logged in, you will be able to see live market data from your phone. The quote screen shows the ask and bid prices or buy and sell prices of your chosen instruments. To add a new instrument to the list, just click the plus icon at the top of the screen and find the instrument in the list. Selecting an instrument in the list will give you the options to trade, see the chart, as well as get more details. The chart screen displays the chart for your chosen instrument. You can change the chart's time frame by clicking the time frame in the top left corner of the screen. You can add objects and indicators to the chart using the options across the top of the screen. And you can see the sell and buy prices by clicking the icon at the top right of the screen. You can click on the buy or sell panels to open a trade, and you can adjust the lot size using the drop-down list between these panels. The trade screen lists any open trades along with your account balance, equity, and free margin. You can open a trade from this screen by clicking the plus icon. This will open a new screen where you can select your preferred instrument, select the lot size, and add a stop loss and take profit. To open a trade, click Sell by Market if you think the price of the instrument will go down, or Buy by Market if you think the price will increase. The history screen displays the trades you've made on your account and your total earnings or losses. You can update time period for which trades are displayed by clicking the icon in the top right corner of the screen. Finally, the settings screen is where you can sign into different accounts along with checking announcements in your trading mailbox, market news, and connecting with the MQL5 community. We hope you enjoy trading on the MT5 app. Please feel free to contact us with any questions.